So as we said, the organs that bitters are particularly associated with, and when I say bitters, I'm talking both about a tincture that you might have got from herbalist and alchemist, or just a bitter plant, you know, eating bitter melon or radicchio or something. So they cleanse and support the liver. They promote a healthy flow of bile, as we said, relieve gas, bloating. They enhance the digestive secretions, tone the bowels, just kind of repeating what we went through before. They clear parasites and germs, so they help keep your gut in balance. Because as you know, plants and herbs are really wonderful like that. It's not like taking one small chemical to kill off germs. They get rid of the ones that, you know, if you've got an overbalance of something, they will get rid of them, but they won't get rid of too much for you to disturb the balance. And those other things. So actually we can see, we'll go through, but by working on the digestive system, and through that, the bitters help with the nervous system, with the metabolic system, with the immune system, and with the kidneys. So we will now go through and see how that all works. So what I found interesting quite recently is that our taste receptors are not only on the tongue, they are actually all through our body, especially inside our GI tract. So actually, and so what happens when you taste that bitter, it signals, whether it's on your tongue or maybe in your inside in your digestive tract, they signal to the brain to secrete more enzymes and all of the things that you need to help you digest your food better. So as we were saying, yes, the healthy gut biome is really important, and a lot of these things like the dandelion root have those prebiotics which help keep your gut biome healthy. A lot of these, sorry, it seems to be quite repetitive, but it will help with the digestion, with indigestion, bloating, because of those things, the healthy bowel movements, as we said, whether you have diarrhea or constipation or some variation between them, that will help. And because it's going through the blood more slowly, all of your food going through the digestive tract more slowly, you won't feel that lethargy after you've eaten a big meal so easily. And you will feel fuller, and so it actually helps to eat less. If you've got a problem with weight, the bitters will help you to feel fuller quicker because it's going through slowly, and so you can even lose weight. And some of the really nice digestive bitters, we said dandelion root, gentian, which is quite rare these days, and it's an endangered plant, so unless it's grown, I don't use that. I mean, unless someone has grown it in the garden, I don't like to use the wild gentian. Angelica, which you can grow very easily. Artichoke I grew this year, not for the artichokes, but for the leaves, which I use in bitters. An orange peel, which is best if you dry it. You can, you really want just the peel, none of the pith, but if you can dry it, and then you can make your own bitters with that. We'll talk in a minute how to make them. And wormwood is a lovely bitter, which I tend to use a lot. And because some of these, you might want to mix them with the aromatic or carminative. That means it helps the digestion, whether it's rosemary or tulsi or some other plants like that, because it helps these bitters to get into your system.